Forget mozzarella sticks. Fried ravioli is the new it girl. It is bursting with cheese and it's coated in this incredible Italian breadcrumb mixture and then fried until it's golden brown and crispy. I'm drooling right now. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. You want comfort food? Well, you got comfort food. Before we get started on the recipe, please make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and of course, tap on our little notification bell. Let's get started. Prepare the breading station. In one shallow bowl, add the all-purpose flour and season with salt and pepper. In a second shallow bowl, whisk together the eggs until they're well combined. In a third shallow bowl, add the Italian-style breadcrumbs, season with salt and pepper. We want to keep these 3 bowls separate. The rule with frying anything with dredging and breading is that you're going to have to leave one hand for wet ingredients and one hand for dry. Don't mix them, that's when you get sticky fingers. Start breading the ravioli. Coat the ravioli with the flour and shake off the excess. Transfer the ravioli to the eggs, coat the ravioli with the eggs, then to our third station. Transfer the ravioli to the Italian-style breadcrumbs and coat them thoroughly. Repeat this process with the remaining ravioli. Fill a cast iron skillet or a deep saute pan with about 3 to 4 inches of oil. Heat this oil to 350 degrees. Fry each of the ravioli until they're golden brown. Drain the fried ravioli on the prepared wire rack so all the oil can drip down. Top with fresh grated Parmesan cheese. For some added color and freshness, garnish with fresh parsley and serve with a side of marinara sauce. You are done. Enjoy! I told you this was comfort food. If you want the full recipe, make sure to head to the description box below, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes. Please make sure to hit that like button and hit subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. Y'all, thank you for watching. My name is Yanni. Mwah! Until next time.